Madam, give my money.
You don't know what you do.
Give me my money. Give me my money.
Fresh money. Give me money. You pay person what I for this money.
Blood of Jesus. Hello, ma. Hello, ma. Good afternoon.
Yes.
Please, I'm going to number 5, Tajumala Street.
Oh, you go to this direction. Second building, that is number 5.
By the left?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Come here, now here, oh. Now here.
Good afternoon, ma.
Well, welcome, oh.
Good afternoon. This your place far well.
No,
You
my
far,
dear, sorry.
I don't suffer am for road.
No vex.
This is your package, ma. Your money na 7,000.
For waiting?
For the delivery now.
For Toothpick? You deliver something else, Johnny?
Madam, I don't understand. No be order me to bring package for you. Pay me my money, Joe.
So to deliver this toothpick na 7,000 naira. Even the toothpick sef na souvenir for my friend wedding. Na dash me make I say okay, let me deliver am.
Which kind thing you ask me to bring package? You no wan pay the money.
Even for Mola shop, this toothpick na 50 naira they sell am or 40 naira go still collect change. You know say 7,000 naira to deliver this toothpick.
Madam, give me my money.
You know wetin you do.
Give me my money. Give me my money.
Fresh money.
Give me my money.
You pay person what I for this money. What do you think they carry me they go? What do you think the police say?
So I can't get delivery. So we talk aiki kawai a Nigeria muna da shan wahala. Wallahi sai kin sa wahala cikin box din. Ni ai ban taba barin ki ba. Wallahi na tafi da ke.
Because they carry me they go where I don't know.
Wallahi sai na tafi.
Toothpick's film shot it.